Well, greetings, ladies and gentlemen. Well, I'm going to change the carburetor in this thing. It's never been changed before. It's an actual metal carburetor. It's really a shame to throw these things out. I wonder if it'll fit on my M230, is it? Whatever it is. Yeah, the 230. That one I bought 4 years ago. Probably not. Anyway, but we're going to take this off, fit a brand new one on, see how it works. So let's check it out. All right, first let's get the air filter out. Now I just tapped this filter off before, and that's what it looks like. Not great. I could tap it off more and get a lot more off. All right, let's see. Looks like 1, 2, 3 bolts holding that on. That looks like 10 millimeter. See, the trick with 10 millimeters is you have to have a 10 millimeter. Smaller. It's an 8. These bolts feel like they've never been taken off before. Looks like all 3 bolts are the same. Always verify that. Okay, here's the carburetor. A lot of gunk still on it. Let's see, that gasket's coming right off. Probably a lot of air going up and around there. Now, take off the fuel line. You want to cut it off somehow. Pinch it off or drain it out into a container. See, the reason why I was psyched out about 10 millimeter is that working on a lawnmower, everything is smaller. So it was 10. Oh shoot! That did not pinch off. It's still dripping out. Okay. Still going. Yeah, at least those 3 bolts got clean, right? Right down there. 3 bolts got clean. Let's compare you to the new one. That looks like it. Looks like I'll have to take that off on there. Well, it does look like we have a match. Bolt. Bolt. Probably Imperial. That it is. This guy is the only thing on there. Not even a gasket? Okay. Yeah. There it is. That smaller one. It goes right in there. There it goes right on there. Clean that off. There we go. And that'll go straight on. The hook will go into there. There we go. Oh, see, that's why. Tightening this piece down knocks that out. What would help is taking this part off. I don't like helping myself. And there we go. Double check. Gasket is still there. There. See if I'm going to keep this. If I'm going to keep this mower, I'll put a cutoff right here. When I winterize it, cut it off, run it dry, and then have no major issues. Okay, go that way. It has little things there. 1, 2, 3. Hold it on for you. Don't see any leaks. Let's see if this sucker works. First pull. That was great. So yeah, any major issues you don't want to deal with rebuilding one of these things, because these are dirt cheap. Why bother? I mean, like, if you have the parts already, just go for it. If not, just get yourself a new one so you have no issues. Thanks for watching. Like, subscribe, and all that jazz.